Welcome back to my channel Education Hub. Point 48.
I can walk.
I can walk.
I can jump.
I can jump.
I can run.
I can run.
I can sing.
I can sing.
I can dance.
I can dance.
I can clap.
I can clap.
I can draw.
I can draw.
I can paint.
I can paint.
I can swim.
I can swim.
I can drive.
I can drive.
I can skate.
I can skate.
I can write.
I can write.
I can read.
I can read.
I can stand.
I can stand.
I can hop.
I can hop.
I can climb.
I can climb.
I can speak.
I can speak.
I can crawl.
I can crawl.
I can think.
I can think.
I can play.
I can play.
I can pray.
I can pray.
I can smile.
I can smile.
I can laugh.
I can laugh.
Thanks for watching Education Hub. Point 48. Subscribe for more videos.